If highway accessibility is your thing, then Woodson's Reserve is the place to check out. Located here in Spring, Texas in Montgomery County, you are easily accessible to the Grand Parkway, I-45, and to Hardy Toll Road. So easy access to downtown Houston and 15 minutes to the Woodlands. Let's check it out. Here at Woodson's Reserve, they are not short on amenities. We are at the amenity center itself, and not only do they have a gym, there's 2 pools, one with a lazy river, there's an event space, playground, beautiful views behind me. So let's check out some more. Back behind me, you see another one of the fabulous parks here at Woodson's Reserve. It backs up right to the splash pad area and open spaces for playing ball. There's over 115 acres of preserved, untouched land here at Woodson's Reserve, and lots of walking trails too, so you can check that out. And not to mention, things for your furry friend, dog parks as well. There are 4 schools that serve this neighborhood. The newest one being Hines Elementary School that's in neighborhood, Clark Intermediate, York Junior High, and the newest high school, Grand Oaks. Let's talk homes. Here at Woodson Reserve, there are 2 home builders. There's TriPoint and Toll Brothers. They range from the low 400s all the way up to over $1 million. With that being said, the lots start at 50 foot across all the way up to 80 foot. They just opened up a new section here, and we are in one of the new model homes that they have, and so definitely some good options if you are looking in this price point. Alright guys, that wraps up our neighborhood tour of Woodson's Reserve. Definitely a great neighborhood to check out. Some pros for the neighborhood would be the preserve area. You definitely feel that wooded feel and lots of lakes. It's gorgeous on the drive in. Definitely recommend it for at least driving around and checking out. Another positive would be the lot sizes. They feel a lot more sizable, a little deeper, a little wider. So if you're looking for bigger lots, that would be it. Some downfalls would definitely be that there's only 2 builders there. So if you aren't a fan of TriPoint or Toll Brothers, that might be an issue. However, in each series, there's about 12 different models to choose from. So you do still have some good options, just not as many builders as some of the other neighborhoods that we've seen. So of course, course, if you're looking to make a move to the Houston area, or maybe you're already in Houston and looking to make a move, definitely reach out. I can get you pointed in the right direction. And if you are enjoying these neighborhood tours, be sure to like, follow, and subscribe so you can stay in tune with our next tour. Talk to you soon.